Hello everybody, my name is Windbreaker. Today I'm going to be unboxing the packages I got from Amazon. There will be another package, two more packages tomorrow, that will you hope you'll be seeing. Wherever this came from, wherever Amazon this came from, because it is an Amazon box, or Savages, 100% Savages. Look at that, no Amazon tape. And then I got my candy cut. What about ugly rugs? Frame, let me see. Nope. Might be, who knows? The trash can's not, but might not be. I should have went with the little one first, but the little one's cool as well. Don't worry, a review is coming up next for this part. Look at all this. It's at least a year. It's like, I don't know, I'll sell one that isn't it. Oh, they had to put that. They had to put this in that big old box. What's this? Just shipping information. I'll put that right there. That's what was in that box. So guys, now, hey guys, I'm going to be doing a review and unboxing on this monitor right here. It's the don't even tell me to pronounce the name right there. I don't know how to. I'll put it sideways so you guys can read it. Windows 8 compatible. That's what makes it a bad monitor, because I think any monitor is Windows 8 compatible. There we go. That should open. Power cords, and it comes with a VGA wire. Nice. Oh, just slide out. Not too bad hard. Easy so far. Easy so far. But the stand. Manual. I know y'all can't see probably, but I'm trying to get it out right now. There we go. This is hard. There's gonna be nothing else in there. Okay. Look at that. Plastic wrapped and everything. Jeez, am I ever gonna get to the bottom of this? I mean, I've heard of overprotective, but dang, they have this plastic taped on it. PC. Jeez, I'm never gonna get this off. Estimated yearly cost $4.2. That's not too bad. Oh my God, there's more plastic underneath this plastic. Okay, jeez. My thoughts so far are too much plastic. So, and this TV right here that you probably can't see, and I know that camera went sideways, and that was probably annoying. I'm sorry. I do apologize in advance. In advance. Okay, you know what? Finally! Oh, wait, still a piece of plastic. Oh my, there's more. There's more. Oh, there's more. There's more. This has HDMI, DVI, and VGA on it, and it comes with VGA wire. I guess they expect you to have everything else, and it looks like the stand just clips on. So let's try. Don't quote me on this. More plastic. Boom. Not too bad, actually. And it's optionable. And it tilts back. It tilts back for that nice experience. You know, it tilts back, forward, and back. I don't like that Windows 8 cape on there, but I'm leaving on there. Where is our... there we are. Let's get this out and power this baby on. Hopefully this won't be a bad experience. And then the camera went sideways again. I put it on its back so you guys can see it. I'm using a box to kind of prop it up straight, but it doesn't seem to be working. Oh, the stand just comes right off. Good, good. As I said, flat on its back, pretty much. Now where's that box at? It comes pretty handy. There, boom. Flat enough. Can I please get an Oscar for this? So, boom, and boom. Power's going to it. It turns on. So far. Get this out. Y'all can see it. The orange light turned on. As you can see. I hit the power button and it turned blue. Nothing. Oh, there it goes. It works. Is it IPS or what? Well, it's still turning on. Come here. It's flashing blue. Is it waiting for an input or something? Oh, I turn it off. Turn it back on. If it needs an input, oh, nope. Definitely not. I don't know. It might not be IPS, but it's 1080p. That I can assure you of. I guess let it do its thing. For the VGA wire, but we're gonna be using HDMI. Crap. I have no idea what's going on. Is it menu? I don't understand. I think I understand. I think I understand. You want 2 plus 3 plus 4. No! It's still flashing blue, so I'm going to plug the HDMI wire into it. I don't understand. There. Oh, never mind. I thought stop play. Oh, no. Oh, there it goes. So it is an IPS. It's not a. It's a TI display, but you gotta get pretty far off of it before it starts looking really bad. So, you know, I'll give it that. There y'all go. That's probably annoying, but it's not too bad. It could be worse. But now I can go into the menu. Yes, I can. And boom. We're good. It works. So it's gonna flash blue again. Yeah, it's pretty much unresponsive. No, they said there's too much, no signal. Well, it works. That's everything. It was I'm gonna have to use this thing a little bit longer before I can actually decide if it's gonna be good or not. So, but I give it a 10 out of 10. It works. It's good for. It's a nice 22-inch display. I'm gonna play on it now. So, guys, now you're gonna be seeing the what's it called? Computer part of the video. Enjoy. Today we're going to be unboxing the new computer from CyberPower PC. I know this is kind of bad right here, but I mean I have no tripod and I'm using my phone. So yeah. So let's just pop this puppy open. Hopefully I'm in frame. If not, it's not the end of the world. Because I'm going to set up a different camera when we get the computer out. Okay. Keeping this, because this is going to be a good sound pad for my room. And there's the beauty right there. We got the keyboard and the smashed mouse. This box is destroyed, but either way, let me get this out of here for y'all. It's a nice mouse, nice and clicky. That's I think it says don't even. I don't know how many DPI it has. It might say in the box. Let's see. It has weights in the bottom that you can customize. Yeah, you can decrease and increase the DPI with these two buttons. So, good mouse. We'll put that on there. I know, this is annoying. I'm sorry. That's the mouse. Here's the keyboard. I know, I'm teasing y'all with that computer. I know. I'm teasing you. I'm sorry. But here's the keyboard, which is not a bad keyboard. Both of them probably came in a plastic wrap. I don't know if this is membrane. It don't sound like it. Don't sound like it. It look plastic. I think it's a membrane. Yeah, it's a tactical membrane. Has keys on the side, media keys, and LEDs. But for a membrane keyboard, it's a nice keyboard to start out with, I guess. Put the keyboard over here on that sound pad I'm going to be using. So now, if you give me a minute, this is probably going to come out of shot. Oh, what's this? Power cable. An ASUS bag, I guess, for the motherboard. I don't know, we're not going to be... I'll look at that in a minute. That's not important now. I'm trying to get... Oh, there's more sound padding. Yay! This stuff is good for sound padding, especially how thick that is. Look at that. That's my hand. That's good. Okay. Get this big box out of the way. look at this smaller box, which I'm going to put this way. Your knife. Pop this sucker open. I don't know if Connor, not in frame, but it's not the end of the world. Crap. Doesn't want to cut. Oh, this is the back of the computer, guys. It's the back of it. And the easiest part is going to be doing this. It's going to do this right here. And just lift. It's my feet, but my finger, yeah, because that's definitely your fingers. Okay, which one's the bottom? Okay. There you go, there's the front of the case, guys. Oh, I can't see it. There's the front. We'll do a walkthrough in a minute. But there it is. There's the top. There's McAfee stuff. I want to show y'all that. I wouldn't anyway. Because, you know, nice information. My warranty stuff. You know, my virus protection I got. It's not for your antivirus. Nice. Nice. DVI, HDMI, and 3 display ports. I'm a big fan of that right there. But it's not the end of the world. See, kind of, yeah. See that off for now. Like it. There we go. Everything out of our way. I don't have my desk together right now. Probably because I'm not home. That's actually the reason. What is this right here? Ah, look. I can install another DVD drive later on. We can't turn it on yet. This is the most delicate part. We're actually going to have to do right now. To get this back in. Yeah, there's plastic in there. I'm glad I took that off to see that because I wanted to boot the computer. Crap. With the plastic in the case. Well, that didn't work. So guys, give me a minute and I'll see you when I get this off. The plastic out. Okay guys, so what this stuff is right here, it shows you how they put it together, but what it basically is some stuff. They go, like they hit this A and B to go on it, and then it takes the place of everything in the computer. I want to pop it open because I just did that. I want to actually show y'all what's inside of it now. No, I'll do that later. Right now I just want to see that it boots and actually works. So I'll see you then. Okay guys, basically what this was, it's the driver CDs and stuff like that. And a quick install, go away! His installed guide and the motherboard thing. But here's the power cable, so let's boot this thing. So I'm going to hit the power button. What did I do? It's not... Wait. Oh. Figured it out. The power supply wasn't on. Now ready. Oh. Cut it off in there. Turn on the monitor. Let's see if something shows up. Oh, ooh, yay! It works. It works. We did it. The mouse isn't on though. Could just be a dead USB 2.0 for it. Oh, no, it is. So yeah, the mouse and keyboard light up. So it's turning on. It does not have an SSD in it. So this may take a while. See, it says CyberPower PC. It has green. I guess we're due. Oh, there we go. Hi there. See if I can decrease the thing all the way to the bottom, and it's pretty slow. Increase it small, like what? Decrease it. Country, United States, US. Okay, we're Central Time. I ran up and down the stairs. Next, legal stuff. Who's gonna read all that? Nobody. I need a mouse pad, but I have one at home, so. Just press settings. I'm gonna use a local account. I don't feel like going through all OneDrive and crap. But it has a red LED fan. Right, yeah, red LED fan in the front and one in the back, and a big giant CPU cooler, which you can see right there. Okay, what is your name? Okay, it's gonna use an offline account. I don't think there's a Wi-Fi card in this, so I'll probably have to use the Ethernet connection, which sucks. Okay, it's gonna be enter password. I'm just gonna make it nothing. There. Hi, I'm Katana. Not now. It's like, are you sure I can tell you the weather? I'm like, I can just look outside. I just don't love how it might be annoying to some, but I like it. It says hi, we're happy you're here. I'll see y'all when it's done. As well, guys, it has that window in there that you can look into. You know, plug it up from the charger. That you can look into and like see the beautiful red fans and the green LED on the motherboard. Yeah. It has a new PC smell, like a new PC. So I wish there was an SSD in this thing. It's so kind of like what? So my question is, does this have a Wi-Fi card in it? Because I don't see one, but that doesn't mean there's not one in there. I'm talking on nerdy for y'all. If you don't know what I'm saying. Like, how's that even nerdy? It's a Wi-Fi chip. Order one, I guess. Put in there. There we go. Let's start. About time. And there we go. Nope. Ethernet connection only. So, yeah, there we go. New PC. I want to show y'all the specs of it. Download. It's like, really? So yes, I have this plugged in through HDMI. Let me just show y'all the specs of it real fast. This PC, view, no computer, system properties. Okay, guys. As you can see, it's very huge, right straight up in your face. All the specs. It has Windows 10, Home, 2016, Microsoft Corporation, all rights reserved. The manufacturer's CyberPower PC processor is the AMD FX TM 4350 quad-core processor clocked to 4.20 GHz. Installed memory RAM is 8 GB, 7.90 usable. I don't know why. I just want to check the pins. System type is a 64-bit, 64 operating system, 64-bit processor. Pen and touch, no pen and touch. Available for this display. So that's not a touchscreen display. So if I did, that would show up. I guess that's all y'all need to know. Really, that's all y'all need to know. And it should be shutting down. Yep. I love this computer. I'm gonna take it back apart and get this door back on right. Cause you see, I didn't do it right. I'm gonna take it downstairs, and I guess I'm done.